Welcome to AmpleBlaze's video tutorial on how to create cookies specifically on a website that doesn't load correctly. So all we need to do for a page that does not load correctly, and this is the example, is we go to the website. So for example, we're on AmpleBlaze.com, we go to the padlock at the top left hand corner, we click it, we get a sub menu here, we go on to cookies, everything that's listed here, you clear. So you can go remove, all that until it's gone. Then click done, and then what you can do is close that tab, open a new tab, and then go back to the website. And as you can see, it's loading up, and it's loading up correctly. So you should see that the website loads up correctly for you. So anything that you didn't see before, you should see everything there. Thank you for watching.